Hey everyone, I'm DJ Kaiser and I'm making this video to introduce you to DJ Live Playlist, a free desktop application I built for DJs who stream live. It lets you display the track you're currently playing as an overlay in OBS, control everything from a Stream Deck, and record the full timeline of your set. In this video, I'll walk you through the basics step by step, setting up your decks, creating a playlist, and starting your first session recording. If you want to try it out, you'll find a link to download the application in the description below this video. Alright, let's get into it. So here we are. I've just opened the app for the first time, and as you can see, it opens to the playlist view. It's empty for now, which is completely normal. The first thing we need to do is to set up our decks. Let's head over to setup to do that. This is where we define the decks we use during our set. For each deck, you enter a name. For example, Vinyl 1. I have Vinyl 1, Vinyl 2, and Vinyl 3. You can put CDJA, record box, whatever you want. And you choose a type, vinyl, CD, controller, or software. The type determines the icon that will be displayed on the Stream Deck buttons and in the overlay. You can add as many decks as you need. I've set up 3 to show you how you can add CDJA, for example, which is a CD, and for example, record box, that is software, for example. You can delete if you want. Now that our decks are ready, let's go back to the playlist view and click new playlist. Give your mix a name. Now let's add our tracks. For each track, you enter the title and the artist, a cover art, either an image URL or a local JPG PNG file. The track URL, this is optional completely. It will be used for the QR code in the OBS overlay if you choose to display it. And the assigned deck, so which deck you'll play this track on. Alright, now that we have a playlist with a few tracks, let's see how to use it during a live set. So during a live set, the workflow is pretty simple. When you start a track on your deck, you just press the play button of the corresponding track in the application. The OBS overlay updates instantly, so for example, for Libertad here. To stop the track, you press the same button again. And if you're mixing on multiple decks, you can have several tracks playing at the same time, each one on its own deck. For example, Libertad and Preparing My Vengeance here, playing together. Now, there's one more thing I want to show you before I wrap up. It's the session recording. Session recording is a feature I really like. Before starting your set, you enable recording by clicking on this button here, and from that point on, the application will timestamp each track at the moment you play and stop it. And at the end of the set, the timeline shows the complete rundown on the mix, which track was played, on which deck, at what time, and for how long. You can also launch a replay to relive the progression of the set. It's a nice way to review how everything went. After you have recorded your set, you can click on Summary here, and you see all the tracks on all the decks, when they have been played. For example, Libertad have been played here, on Vinyl 1, on Vinyl 2 you see that you have Preparing My Vengeance, and you can replay you're set. If you click on replay, so you see the red line is the current line. And if you click on preview, you can see what will be displayed on the OBS overlay. Okay, so for example, there's Libertad here. Sweet Bass will appear in a few seconds, and you'll see the animation. Yes, you will see the animation that you will get on OBS overlay. Okay, so that's it for the first video. You know now the basics of DJ Live Playlist. Again, the link to download the app is in the description below. In the next video, we'll see how to add the overlay in OBS to display the tracks live on your stream. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.